And this whole philosophy is driving a bottom-up approach to improving production lines, not a top-down approach. So we're actually empowering operators to have live, truthful information that they can actually use to improve their performance and obviously improve the output of the production lines. So giving real-life, truthful feedback to operators has always been a challenge. But because we have the operator ID badge in the station, and we track every single process step by step, and we can associate that to the particular operator working in the station, we're able to create unique, customized dashboards for every single operator. So let's dive in and see how an operator can actually understand what their performance is and actually use this information to actually improve their output and obviously the output of the production line. So on the far right-hand side, you actually see the leaderboard, and this particular operator is sitting at third. The next dashboard we can see is which operations that operator is working on, the different stations. And probably the most important part of the dashboard is here on the left-hand side. What you see on the top left-hand side are the operations that the operator is improving at, in other words, getting faster and faster. On the bottom side, we see the operations that the operator is getting slower and slower at from a trend perspective. And so the operator can go in and have a look at the operations that they're doing better at. In this case, you can see it's the gasket camera check, as well as the cover confirmation. However, probably more important where we need to focus are the three operations where the operator is getting slower. And this is where, as a team, we can monitor why is the operator struggling. The operator can also bring it to the attention of maintenance, for example. In this case, it's the bolt run-up. So obviously something's going on with the bolt run-up where it's getting slower and slower. And as we can see on one particular day, it was really bad. It was actually 98 seconds, which is certainly an outlier. And so obviously something happened there, and the operator can now use this information to let the right people know. There are obviously some other operations that are getting slower. So this carrier scan is getting slower and slower. Obviously something's going on there. Maybe the barcode scanner is not working, or the label is not clear enough to scan. And obviously the confirmation of the bolt run-up is also getting slower. And so the operator is now able to use this information to either improve their performance or also to highlight to maintenance or their supervisor as to areas that they're struggling in.